What do you think of the workshop that Sonal and Bhuvneshwari conducted?
It was an insightful workshop, I should say. It was a very comprehensive workshop on image building, and it was very useful for our PGDM students as they are going to start their career journey in the corporate world. It covered, I think, all the aspects of image building and personality building, right from communication skills, verbal, non-verbal, body language, and Sonal and Bhuvneshwari, both of them, they were amazing trainers. As At the end, they explained the CEAS model, which was really very helpful. As we know, the intellectual quotient (IQ) and maximum EQ, but they explained three more very new quotients, and they were image quotient, the spiritual quotient in a very different way, and overall the workshop was very useful, and I think we are looking forward to have more such interactive sessions with Sonal and Bhuvneshwari. I'm very thankful to Shripal and the consultants, the three of them, to getting associated with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hi, Ashwini. What do you think of the workshop?
The workshop has been very helpful. I have worked in the corporate for 2 years, so I have always wondered what is the business casuals and what is the formals. I couldn't categorize it properly, but today I got the whole insight and I've learned that how to dress well, how to stay upright. Yeah, so that was very helpful.
And what do you think of the coaches?
They were very friendly. We did not feel they were the coaches. They were the friendly people talking to us, and we learned a lot from them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, what do you think of the personal branding workshop by New?
Yeah, fantastic. This is an induction program, and we always want the students to be in the right frame of mind with the right understanding of how grooming works for them from the initial days itself. And I think the first year students must have had a great time. They probably have taken a lot of learning back with them, and these things will probably help them going ahead. They have placements coming up in a year and a half of time, and that is when these things will probably come in really handy. And it was a fantastic session, as sir mentioned before this. Being a post-lunch session, despite of that, the energy levels were pretty high. We generally do not see that much energy in the students after the lunch, but I think the session was absolutely enriching for them.
Wow, thank you so much. What are your views on the coaches, Sonal and Bhuvneshwari?
When the session goes really well, it probably is with the doing of the coaches themselves. Miss Bhuvneshwari and Miss Sonal were absolutely fantastic. Two ladies with their collar mics on completely took on the entire stage and the crowd, and they managed it brilliantly well. Thank you so much.
Great, thank you so much. Hi, ma'am. What do you think of the personal branding workshop by New?
So, ma'am, very good afternoon, everyone. So, today we have our very interactive instructors over here, Sonal ma'am and Bhuvneshwari ma'am. So, their session, College to Corporate, was very engaging and the influencing one. They have used a lot of concepts, which is very important for this generation, for student as well as for us also. They had covered like communication skills and their body language, voice modulation, how especially when we are in the public, how when we are speaking, it creates a lot of impact on the public and the person to whom we are talking, or probably the person who is listening.
Yeah.
So they were the very key major areas where they have covered, and I must say, and I appreciate that they have used experiential learning activities for that. Thank you so much, ma'am, to have us here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, what do you think of this personal branding workshop?
So today I attended this workshop and this was a wonderful event. It has changed my perspective towards the way I behave, the way I look. The one thing that stuck in my mind was the three things when we turn around the camera: what we are, what people see, and what we think of ourselves. That I think I'll be remember throughout my lifetime, and this will also help me in my further career.
Great. What do you think of the coaches?
The coaches were very great. They were very friendly. They have made the session very interactive and fun, and we don't even realize that how the time had been passed.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Hi, first of all, thank you so much, sir, for attending this session. And what do you think of this workshop? And also, we want to know what was the reason why you thought of this topic?
So the major objective of keeping this session was to tell students that this is a very important thing when they go into the corporate or when they interact with corporate people.
Yes.
The very first thing is how they project themselves, how they come across as the first impression to the management people or the MNCs. So that is the reason we kept this session. And to be really honest, I'm very happy that I've chosen the right people. The way they conducted this session with the activities, with the interaction, and with a lot of enthusiasm. Even it was a post-lunch session, but with their energy, the students they were completely alive for the entire 3-hour session. So it was a wonderful session, and definitely there were very important key takeaways which students have also taken. I've also taken. I'm also learning with them. So thank you so much for coming in. It was a great session.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. What do you think of the personal branding workshop by New?
Hello, so I attended this workshop today at MET College. The workshop was very grateful and insightful. Personally, I really get compliments that I don't have a proper posture, but today I learned how to get a proper posture, how to do dressing, how to dress well, and the thing is that how can I speak with my outfit, with my personality.
Great.
It was a very insightful session.
And did you think that the trainers and coaches were
The
interesting?
trainers were really good. I really need someone like them in my life to train me, to give me inspiration. They really inspired me today. It was really great.
Great.
meeting
Thank you
all of
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Hi, what do you think of the personal branding workshop?
The session was very insightful. It was really wonderful session. As my friend said, how the time was passed, we didn't even know. As they say that common sense is not common. These basic things are really important in professional life. With how we dress, how the attire should be. The basic points regarding the socks, be it trousers, with a shirt, it was really important. I had this habit of keeping my hands like that, but today I learned that my hand should be free, my hand should be at the side. So it was really insightful, and I'll keep this for my entire life.
And what do you think of Sonal and Bhuvneshwari?
Yeah, they were very friendly, they were very intelligent, and they really knew this topic from the basic till the professionalism. So I really feel that they are best at that job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, what do you think of the personal branding workshop by New?
So basically I attended this workshop at MET College. It was a great session, and we learned really new concepts about dressing, levels of dressing. This was something new that I learned. LOC is again something I learned, and one thing that I really would like to apply in my academics is 93% is non-verbal and 7% is just spoken words. So yeah, coming up in a management program, our dressing, our appearances, our gestures, our verbal communication, our body language, postures, everything should have to be perfect. Basically, in this dynamic world, if you want to get up in a good job, I think your expressions, your gestures would do that before you. And I would really like to thank Sonal ma'am and Bhuvneshwari ma'am to help us to teach that in a very friendly, in a manner that we did not thought that we were learning. It was like we were just practicing it. So yeah.
Great. Thank you so much. What do you think of this program?
The program has been wonderful. The dignitaries who have came today, they have actually changed our perspective that what exactly body language is, how you have to dress up in corporates, what is a formal attire, what are the levels, what are the hierarchy that you have to follow. We also understood what is LOC. So I guess after today's session, we have came across with the exact and correct view of what is the tone, the volume, the manner, the body language, everything we have to understand. Our perspective has been changed after the
Super.
session.
What do you think of the trainers or the coaches?
The coaches were wonderful, they were very friendly, they were amazing, and yeah, the sessions has been wonderful because of them.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.